Hello everyone, my name is Kamal Kumar. Okay, so it is a problem for the GATE exam. Okay, so it is a previous year questions in GATE exam 2019. Okay, so GATE exam 2019. So in this problem, given that 5 different book PQRST. Okay, PQRST. So 5 different books. Suppose that it is a 5 different books P Q R S 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so P Q R S and T. Okay, it is a 5 different book. Okay, so are to be arranged on a shelf, so it is a shelf. Okay, the book R and S, so R and S. Okay, so book R and S. So in this question, the books R and S are to be arranged first and second. Okay, so first and second. Okay, so first and second respectively from the right side of the shelf. Okay, right side of the shelf. The number of different order in which P, Q and T may be arranged. Okay, so it is a very easy question. Okay, but in the aptitude, so it is a general aptitude questions. Okay, check your mind ability. Okay, so it is a very easy question. In this question, not a heavy calculation. Okay, only your mind solve it this problem. Okay, so in these questions, okay, so PQR and ST. Okay, five different books on a shelf. Okay, PQRST. Okay, the books R and S are to be arranged first and second. Okay, suppose that it is a shelf. Okay, it is a shelf. Okay, so the books R and S are to be arranged first and second. Okay, suppose that it is a okay or right side of the shelf. Suppose that it is a right side of the shelf. Okay, so it is a right side of the shelf. Okay, S and T are be fixed. Okay, so S and T already arranged. Okay, so S and T already arranged. Okay, so it is a fixed point. Okay, ST. Okay, it is a right side of the shelf. Okay, so next, the number of different orders in which P, Q and T. Okay, so the number of different orders in which P, Q and T. Okay, so S and T already fixed, so it is a fixed point. Okay, and the question asks the number of different order in which P, Q and T. Okay, arrange. Suppose that it is a P, Q and T. Okay, so how many total number of books, okay, arranged in in a shelf. Okay, so S and T already arranged. Okay, so P and Q. Okay, suppose that it is a 1 2 and 3 because P Q and T are the total number of books, 3. Okay, so in this shelf, okay, 3 books. Okay, in this shelf take the 3 books. Okay, so it this position 3 books arranged. Okay, and the next position, next position because in first position I will arrange the 3 books. Okay, so the second position. Okay, second position arrange the books. So how many number of orders arranged in the second position? So 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So second position 2, because one order is already arranged. Okay, so therefore second position is 2. Okay, and third position, so third position 3 minus 2, because 2 2 because two orders already take. Okay, first and second position. So next is 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 1. Okay, so answer is each numbers can be multiplied. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So 6 is answer.